Hey guys, welcome to the fourth video in the rocking chair series. Today we're going to work on taking our parts from cutting out to being fully assembled. Blake, tell us a little bit about what we're going to be doing on this part.
So we're going to take all these parts today, John, and we're going to go through and basically just sand them up. We're going to round over edges and all that, start doing some dry fitting to get it to this point. So we're going to take you through that and show you how it's done.
Awesome. Now this piece here we didn't do on the CNC machine. Why didn't we do this on the CNC machine?
I didn't do this on the CNC because it's that old thing of just because the machine can do it doesn't mean it's faster. I cut all these parts out and I had all this scrap left over. So this is just a 3/4 by 3/4 blank that I just cut on my table saw really quick, took to my router and just rounded over with a 3/4 radius for a tenon.
Perfect. All right, let's get to work. It's been a really productive day in the shop today. Really been fun to watch the rocking chair parts all come together, build these two sides. Blake, what's our next step?
Our next step is we're going to go ahead and do the arch backs.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and do all of our arch rails. We've got some flat ones, we've got some curved ones. We decided, me and you, when we were drawing this, we were going, heck, we need to make a little more comfort. So we're going to show you how to do some arch rail cuts and stuff like that, and we'll get this thing put together more like a chair.
Awesome. Sounds great. Thank you guys for staying with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out our YouTube channel, lwmcnc.com. See you guys in the next one.